Hello, good afternoon. Here I will explain the material in Module 5. The material in Module 5 is food and money. Unit 1, Shopping for Food Supermarket. Pada unit ini kita akan membahas tentang tingkat perbandingan positif direct, comparative direct, and superlative direct, hubungannya dengan harga dan makanan, satuan ukuran yang berkaitan dengan makanan yang diperlukan. A. Supermarket. Bagian-bagian dari supermarket meliputi 1. Bakery section, 2. Dairy section, 3. Produce section, 4. Meat department. B. Difference. Adjektif adalah kata sifat yang biasanya berfungsi menerangkan kata benda. Berikut ini contoh adjektif: nice atau enak, good atau baik, large atau besar, cheap atau murah, expensive atau mahal, tasty atau lezat, fresh atau segar, wet atau luas, delicious atau nikmat, big atau besar, small atau kecil. Adjektif adalah kata sifat yang digunakan untuk menerangkan kata benda. Contoh: 1. Orange is nice. 2. Onion is cheap. 3. Apple is small and melon is big. 4. Meat is expensive. Berikut ini contoh comparative and superlative of adjective. Comparative and superlative dari adjectives. Kata sifat satu suku kata mendapat akhiran er pada bentuk komparatif dan ditambah est pada bentuk superlatif. Misal, small, smaller, the smallest. Kata sifat satu suku kata dan berakhiran pada konsonan. Konsonan terakhir diulang untuk membentuk perbandingan, misalnya fat, feather, fathers, big, bigger, biggest. Kata sifat yang berakhiran y ini berubah menjadi i, kemudian ditambahkan er atau est, misalnya happy, happier, the happiest. Kata sifat yang berakhiran pada huruf e langsung ditambahkan r dan st, misalnya leather, leather, the leathers. Kata sifat yang mempunyai bentuk tidak beraturan, misalnya good, better, best. Kata sifat yang lebih dari dua suku kata menggunakan more atau most, misalnya more expensive, the most, the expensive. C. A kilo of. Berikut ini contoh-contoh a kilo of. Measurement of uncountable nouns. A loaf of, a tube of, a can of, a pound of, a kilo of, a box of, a pack of, a bolt of, a salad of. Unit 2, Shopping for Food Traditional Market. In general, we use some for positive tenses and any for negative tenses. I would like to have some coffee. I do not have any fruits. Any is also used in question tenses. Have you got any fruit? But the word some can also be used in interrogative tenses if we already know the answer. To buy something is with my eye, which can be interpreted as allow it. In addition to using my, can also use can I or could I, which mean almost the same. Namely, can explain might I have, can I have, could I have. To answer the buyer's question can be done with the expression How many would you like? Or how much would you like? If the object to be purchased can include the countable nouns, then you see how many and how much for uncountable nouns. How to express how much is the attribute to the verb. How much does this? Ungkapan untuk mendapatkan pengembalian uang dilakukan dengan pertanyaan, do you have change for? Sekarang praktekkan dengan teman Anda pola kalimat berikut ini. Do you have change for a quarter? Do you have change for a dollar? Do you have change for $5? Money, hundred atau ratus, thousand atau ribu, million atau juta, billion, miliar, trillion, triliun. Example, number 1, 1,350. Number 2, 523,350. Number 3, 345,650,550. Unit 3, at the restaurant. The goal to be achieved in this unit is that you are able to use expression to order a menu for breakfast, lunch, or dinner at a restaurant. You will also learn how to order food in English. You will also learn how to offer food or drink to others. Berikut ini contoh-contoh grammar focus. Well, now is the time for you to practice being the person who will eat in the restaurant, and on the other hand, you also act as a waitress when in the restaurant. Practice 1. To reserve a place in a restaurant. Have you got a table for 2? Have you got a table for 4? Have you got a table for 10? 2. Order food or drink at a restaurant. May I see the menu, please? May I have more coffee, please? May I have tea without sugar, please? I'd like some fried eggs, please. I'd like a cup of tea, please. I'd like coffee, please. 3. Waiters restaurant in serving guests. Number A. What would you like to eat? What would you to drink? What would you for dessert? B. May I take your order, please? 4. Request 10 platters. Could you give me some more coffee? Could you bring me some tomato juice? 5. After 10 patrons, would you like some coffee? Would you like something to drink?